Hey friends, in today's math lesson we're going to learn about solving word problems. Now, when you think about math, you think about numbers, but you can use words in math as well. And a lot of times, especially in the real world, you're going to have to solve problems that you might not just see a math equation for. You're going to see words, and you're going to have to read words. You're going to have to say words to solve problems. You're going to solve a lot of math problems in your life, and you might not even realize that that's what you're doing because math isn't always just looking at a piece of paper and it's saying 5 plus 3 equals, and you solve for 8. Sometimes it's a little more complicated than that. So we're going to learn about word problem. So I have a word problem written up here. So first I'm going to read it. Then we're going to think about how we're going to use math to solve it. So I saw 3 yellow butterflies. Then I saw 4 orange ones. How many did I see in all? So that's my question. How many did I see in all? So first I need to think about what information is this word problem giving me, okay? So the first sentence, I saw 3 yellow butterflies. So I saw 3. So I'm going to circle that number. I'm probably going to need that number to help me solve this word problem. Then I saw 4 orange ones. So then I saw 4 orange ones. How many did I see in all? So how many, so I'm looking for a number, how many did I see in all? In all is giving me a clue that I'm looking for a sum, because remember, a sum is when you take two numbers, two add-ins, and you join them together. So I'm looking for how many did I see in all. So think about the strategies that we've learned to solve addition problems. You can use objects, pictures, counting on, number lines. You can use a lot of different strategies for addition. So I'm going to draw a picture because I find that with a word problem, if I'm thinking through it as I'm drawing the picture, I can help myself know how to solve. So I saw 3 yellow butterflies. So I have yellow. So just over here, just real quick, nothing too fancy. I'm going to draw 3 yellow butterflies. Yeah, you can kind of see. Then I saw 4 orange ones. So if I'm like going through a walk in the park, I walk at one bush, I see 3 yellow butterflies, and then I turn, and another bush, there's 4 of them. So 4 orange ones. There's my 4 orange. I want to know how many did I see in all. So that means how many all together did I see. So I have a picture. I know the information that I'm trying to find here, and I understand that the operation or the action that I'm trying to do is add, because I want to know how many there are in all. So now I'm going to write an addition sentence. So I saw 3, and then I saw 4, and I want to know how many in all. That's how I know I'm adding. So then I can count. How many did I see in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have an addition sentence, an addition equation to match the story problem, and it also gives me my answer. The answer is 7. That's my question. How many did I see in all? The answer is 7. Now you don't have to draw pictures. You can use objects. You can use your fingers. I could have looked at this and said, I saw 3 yellow butterflies, and then I saw 4 orange ones. How many did I see in all? Well, I need to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still gives me the same answer, depending on how I solve it. As long as I'm double checking my work and using the same information, I'm going to get the same answer no matter what. So when you're reading a story problem, look for numbers, find key information. So here the key information was it's asking how many, and in all in all is a phrase that's letting me know that I'm going to add. If I had the same problem but a different question, I might solve it a different way. I'm looking for a different answer. So if I said I saw 3 yellow butterflies, then I saw 4 orange ones, what if the question was how many more orange did I see than yellow? Is my answer still going to be 7? Am I still going to use 3 plus 4 equals 7 if I want to know how many more orange? It wouldn't be 7 because that wouldn't make sense. I can't see 7 more orange. I only saw 4. So my equation would be different if my question's different. So be careful with word problems. You can't just circle the numbers, find the numbers, and say, oh, I'm going to add these together, or I'm going to subtract these. You got to make sure that you're reading the question so that you know what the problem is asking you to do. So with solving word problems, look for the numbers and look for the key information that's going to tell you what you need to do to solve the problem.